Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites so nothing blocks you later. Install Python 3. 10 or newer, then create a dedicated project folder and initialize Git immediately. Once done, create and activate a virtual environment with Python mvenv. Venv and upgrade pip and setup tools. This isolates dependencies and prevents system conflicts. Make sure to open the folder in your editor so you can use linting and quick fixes. This fast start prevents wasted time and sets a stable foundation for development. Next, you lay out the middle of the work, a clear structure and repeatable installs. Create SRC and tests folders, add pip-reject. TOML for project metadata and dependency management, and populate README. MD with a quick start. Once you decide on a tool, poetry or pip with pip-reject, pin your core dependencies and dev tools. Then add rough and black to enforce consistency and write a simple CI workflow that installs, tests, and lints on push. This automates quality checks and catches regressions early. Finally, you prepare for release and closure. Write comprehensive tests and run PyTest locally. Make sure they pass before building. Then create a source distribution and wheel and test installing them in a fresh virtual environment to confirm the package works as expected. Tag the release and push to your remote repository. If something goes wrong, start by checking dependency version conflicts, run pip check, and inspect CI logs. These steps usually reveal mismatches or missing build metadata, so you can iterate quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.